Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Doc editable. So if you create a Google Docs file, so I'm going to create a new Google Docs. Okay, here is my new document on Google Docs. So if you create a new document, as you can see, the document is locked, or it is private to only me, like this. And if you want to make this file editable, for example, to by your colleagues, your friends, or your family, that you want to make them can edit this file, you can just edit the permission. So just click on this and change the okay, I'm going to name the file first. Okay, this is the document. You need to change the permission of the file, or the general access of the file. From restricted, you can change it into anyone with the link, and then change the role from viewer to editor. So by doing this, your friends or your colleagues can edit this file. You can just copy the link and then share it to them, or you can also add the people. Click on the email here and add the people, for example this one, and notify them that they can edit this file, and then just click on send. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can make Google Docs editable. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.